In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the nuances of crowdfunding that create huge opportunities to leverage up to $75 million in capital financing in the markets. So stay tuned. Hello, my name's Clint, and if you're interested in learning about structured finance and the different ways to finance your business ideas or new commercial real estate development project, make sure you hit that subscription button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything we have to lay down. There are many nuances in capital financing in general and crowdfunding in particular. Let me know in the comments below the different ways you've considered using crowdfunding or what has helped you create opportunities to date to help you grow your business. As we learned in our last segment, the SEC dramatically changed the crowdfunding rules this past November. Look at the link in the description for the 388-page final rule. It's available on our website, and it's also available at sec.gov. Please go over that with your legal advisor before you launch any capital offering. The crowdfunding rule change allows the issuer to broadcast advertise their proposed offering of securities to the public. Crowdfunding before these rule changes wasn't possible. This means that just as with an IPO, you're using the power of mass advertising and communication to attract as many investors as you reasonably believe it's going to take to sell out your offering and do it quickly and efficiently. Broadcast advertising also means an end to the era of let's make a deal. Offerings done in a crowdfunding are one size fits all. No investor gets a special deal. And if they want a special deal, we're sorry, there's none available today, and if you don't like it, I've got to go to the caller online too. That's the kind of approach it creates. Public offerings of securities that you hear about in the news are called initial public offerings, and they use a combination of news coverage, advertising, and public relations to generate sizzle and interest in their upcoming offering so that the day it goes live, hopefully it sells out instantly. And more than 75% of them do. And that's important to remember because, again, the power of mass advertising and large number theory plays out in our markets every day. Now, while it's not realistic to assume your offering will sell out in a day, though it could, the use of advertising on a broad scale is the one element, when applied properly, that can make a difference between you becoming successful or failing and only realizing those frustration of rejection letters and lack of return calls. So let's talk about those nuances. The first nuance in the new crowdfunding rules is something called demo day events. Think of Shark Tank, the television show. Demo day events allow issuers like your business to make a general solicitation of the public in a virtual setting. It means the demo day event sponsor, like Envision Capital Finance Business Accelerator Program, can advertise that demo day events are going to be taking place, and you can showcase your project or your business to the public. You can't accept any money, you cannot make a binding offer, but you can present your proposed financing, contact investors in this virtual setting, receive information from them, maybe even a follow-up call and an offer for financing, and if nothing else, build up that important base of prospective investors for when the offering actually goes live. Demo day events are critical. Comment below if you'd like to see more on a series of demo day events and the rules before you run out the door. The new crowdfunding regulations also include a brand new rule called Rule 241. This is the second nuance in the crowdfunding game that has the power to unleash real success and create massive amounts of financial investment leverage by which your company or project can benefit. Under this rule, before you even elect what's known as the offering exemption, the part of the law that you believe that you're entitled to issue securities under in the crowdfunding exemption, you can undertake a pre-offering solicitation on a broad scale. Again, that means you can advertise that your company is going to be seeking capital financing. This advertisement, once again, can create the opportunity for the public to respond. 241 allows you to utilize media advertising and public relations to create interest and buzz, just like in an IPO, before you ever come into the market. And this is another powerful technique for loading the gun to pre-sell your offering before the deal even goes live. You don't want to miss out on that. It's important to remember, advertising is what sells everything in our world, because every company has to communicate their particular value proposition in order to make future sales that generate, hopefully, future profits for the benefit of their investors. Every business has to go through this communications process to be successful. You do too. In truth, some work and some don't. That's the risk that comes with business, life, and everything else, including capital financing. The key is understanding the probability of success by using the right means in the right way. Crowdfunding gives you that opportunity. Finally, the best news of all is that you're selling a product that's universally wanted: money. Almost everyone has some of it. Almost everyone wants more of it. And almost everyone wants to learn how to obtain more of it, don't they? One thing is certain. No matter what product, service, or what your project is, the market for that property, project, product, or service is only a fraction of the size of the market of people who are seeking investment opportunities and profitable business opportunities just like yours. If you can't sell the money opportunity tied to the financing of your business or project, chances are the underlying business or project isn't going to be viable anyway, is it? If you enjoyed this video, remember, please share it with your friends and associates, other entrepreneurs, developers. We greatly appreciate it. If you're not currently subscribing, hit that subscription button now and follow along in our continuing series in the channel. As for now, I want to thank you for journeying with us today and watching, and I'll see you next time, and may the odds be ever in your favor.